This is what happens during colostomy surgery. Have you ever wondered what happens when doctors need to create a new pathway for stool to leave the body? The procedure is called a colostomy. The large intestine, also called the colon, normally carries waste toward the rectum, where it eventually leaves the body. But conditions such as severe bowel disease, a blockage, injury, or colon cancer can sometimes prevent stool from passing normally. In these situations, surgeons may create a colostomy. The surgery begins after the patient is given general anesthesia, so they are completely asleep and won't feel pain. The surgeon makes an incision in the abdomen to reach the colon. If a damaged section of the colon needs to be removed, the surgeon carefully removes that portion and prepares the healthy ends of the bowel. Now comes the most important step. The surgeon creates a small opening through the abdominal wall called a stoma. A healthy end of the colon is carefully brought through this opening and attached to the skin. This creates a new pathway for stool to leave the body. A special colostomy bag is then placed over the stoma. Instead of passing through the rectum, stool now travels through the colon and exits through the stoma into the bag. Depending on the patient's condition, the colostomy may be temporary or permanent. Before finishing the operation, the surgeon checks the bowel and stoma to make sure the blood supply is good and everything is functioning properly. The abdominal incision is then closed with stitches or staples. After surgery, patients learn how to care for the stoma, change the colostomy bag, and keep the surrounding skin healthy. For many patients, a colostomy can be life-saving when the normal pathway for stool is blocked or damaged.